Welcome to MEA week of Dinosaur Paleontology. We are going to slow things down here just a little bit due to the long weekend with conferences and MEA, and mainly to kind of give some of you some time to catch up either on this course or any other class that you are falling a little bit behind. So whenever I see you, or whenever you get to this, if you're cohort C, there is an activity to think about and to do in Schoology revolving around the connection between dinosaurs and pop culture. And I'm going to walk us through that here in a little bit. Once you're done with that, for the rest of the week, you have options. Either take a look at some of the enrichment material. I'm going to link something in here as well for you, and show you some of the other optional enrichment activities. Or, like I said, it's time to kind of catch up on late or missing work. Wednesday is conferences, and then we've got the nice long MEA weekend. So to jump back over to Schoology and take a look at the activity for either Monday if I have you, Tuesday if I have you on Tuesday, or either day if you are cohort C. Okay, it is going to be in week 2. I will also link it into the daily updates. But down here at the very bottom, it's this dinosaurs and pop culture Google Doc. And I just kind of want to get you thinking about the influence and the impact dinosaurs and how they're represented in pop culture has influenced your understanding, your thoughts, your feelings towards dinosaurs, because it's definitely had a huge and major impact on me and a lot of other people too. Okay, so the first thing that I'd like you to do is list sources of information or ways that you have interacted with dinosaurs from pop culture. So what I'm thinking about here would be things like ways that you've learned or seen or read or whatever when it comes to dinosaurs. Okay, so it could be from movies, it could be from TV shows, it could be from magazines. I just want you to list ways that you have gotten information or interacted with dinosaurs. So, I mean, it could be toys and stuff too. Lots of different ways to kind of interpret this. So, give me 4. You should be able to find 4 different ways that you've either gained information or interacted with dinosaurs from pop culture. Okay? The next question is kind of a follow-up, is based on your interactions, how have those different areas of pop culture shaped your understanding of what dinosaurs are? Whether they, after taking this class or learning about dinosaurs, either pop culture, doesn't really matter. I just want to know how it shaped your understanding, whether it shaped it correctly or incorrectly. Okay. The next question, how have those sources, so going back to that very first question, made you feel about dinosaurs? Okay. The next one, I want you to just list some ways, and we're going to focus mainly on Jurassic Park, because that has probably been the most impactful pop culture source when it comes to dinosaurs. So list some ways the Jurassic Park franchise, so Jurassic Park, the original 3, and Jurassic World, the follow-up 3, has impacted the world and dinosaur paleontology. Okay, so, just think that through. Give me 5, I think, different ways that you think Jurassic Park has impacted the world, and then you can also think dinosaur paleontology, so actually the study of dinosaurs and the people that do it. Okay? The next question, how has pop culture been a positive influence? The next one is, how has pop culture been a negative influence on dinosaur paleontology? Okay, and now we're really focusing on the study of dinosaur paleontology. Okay? And then the last question is, how do you think pop culture will influence dinosaur paleontology into the future? The Jurassic Park World franchise, they're saying that they've got their last movie coming out in 2022 now. So if that's really the end, what's going to happen? Just some predictions. What do you think? and how is that going to impact the study of dinosaurs moving into the future. Okay, so that's our activity for the week. Like I said, after that there are some optional enrichment activities. What I've been doing in some of these weeks, we'll take a look at week 1. There is a link down at the bottom that says enrichment article. It's about the origin of feathers. And it's kind of interesting. This is a peer-reviewed science article, so it's going to be a little bit more involved in terms of reading, but I think it is interesting because it gives you an idea of the different forms of feathers and how feathers came to be for birds, because a bird feather is very different than some of these primitive feathers. So if you're interested in that at all, that's there for you. Okay. I also have this entire Theropod enrichment material. This is a whole nother course. So if you want to learn a little bit more about theropods, which are my favorite, you could do that. And then, like I said, in the calendar, I'm going to have something separate linked in there for you as well. Okay, so that's the week. I hope you have a wonderful week. You get some stuff done. If you're missing things for this class or any other class, use this extended time to get those things done. And I'll see you when I see you.